So, you want a stronger core, but you also want to stay in bed. Why drag yourself out of bed when you can get fit under the same blanket that just saw you demolish a midnight snack? Welcome to FitFocus, the channel that makes health and fitness tips so simple that even the laziest of us have no excuse left. Today, I'm bringing you a full core workout you can literally do in bed. No gym, no yoga mat, no spandex leggings required. Just you, your pillow, maybe your blanket if you're emotionally attached. Spoiler, you are. Now let's be real for a second. Everybody wants strong abs, but not everybody wants to go through the sweat, the crunches, and the effort it usually takes. And honestly, half of us don't even want to put on proper workout clothes. Sweatpants? Maybe pajamas? Definitely, but gym shorts. That's too far. Here's the good news. Your mattress isn't just a place to scroll TikTok and regret your life choices. The truth is, your core muscles aren't just for looking good in a mirror selfie you'll never post. They're the foundation of your body. They help you stand taller, protect your spine, improve balance, make daily movements easier, and even help with breathing. If your core is weak, your back complains, your posture collapses, and you end up slouching like a sad beanbag chair. But when your core is strong, everything else feels easier. You start to notice those abs peek through, assuming you didn't eat half a cheesecake last night. No judgment though, I was there too. All right, pajama warriors, let's start this lazy dream workout. First up, the classic bed crunch. Lie flat on your back, bend your knees, keep your feet pressed into the mattress, and slowly lift your shoulders off the bed. That's it. Don't pull your neck like you're trying to escape a horror movie. Do about 15 to 20 reps. And listen, each crunch is like a tiny middle finger to laziness. Even if you only manage a handful, it still counts as you doing something, which is a lot better than nothing. Next, let's roll into leg raises. This one is sneaky because it feels easy at first, but then burns like crazy. Stay lying on your back, keep your legs straight, and lift them up toward the ceiling like you're trying to point your toes at a spider on the ceiling. Then slowly lower them back down. But don't just let them slam into the bed like a toddler throwing a tantrum. Lower with control. This move hits the lower abs, the part everyone complains about when they say, nothing ever works down there. The truth, consistency works. But blaming pizza is more fun, I get it. Aim for 10 to 15 reps. Please, no cheating by bending your knees halfway. We see you. Now, let's wake up the obliques with seated twists. And then start twisting your torso side to side. Imagine you're passing shade equally in both directions, fair and balanced. If you want to step it up, grab a pillow or even your TV remote for extra resistance. Don't throw it at the wall when it gets hard. This move carves out the sides of your core and helps with rotational strength, which you actually use in real life more than you think. Do 20 twists, 10 each side. And by now, your core should be clocking in for work, even though your brain is still half asleep. Moving on, let's talk about the plank. I know nobody likes planks, but hear me out. Two can plank in bed. That's right, no hard floor digging into your elbows. Just get on your forearms and toes, keep your body straight like a board, and hold. Your mattress is soft, so you'll wobble a little, which makes your stabilizer muscles work overtime. That means more gains with less discomfort. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. If you start shaking like a leaf, congrats. That means it's working and not that you're freezing under your blanket. Stay strong because you've survived worse things like Mondays. Next up, bicycle crunches in bed. Lie down, hands behind your head, bring one knee up, and twist your torso so your opposite elbow tries to meet that knee. Then switch sides like you're pedaling some imaginary bike to nowhere. It looks silly, but it works wonders. This move hits your upper abs, lower abs, and obliques all at once. Basically, it's the overachiever of bed exercises. Do 20 reps on each side, and don't cheat by just flapping your arms around. Bonus points if you can do this without accidentally kicking your blanket off the bed or smacking your partner in the process. Now let's sneak in some pelvic tilts. This one is subtle, but effective. Lie flat, bend your knees, keep your feet planted, and lift your hips slightly off the bed by squeezing your core and glutes. Then lower them back down slowly. Plus, it feels sneaky, like you're exercising without anyone noticing. 15 to 20 reps should do the trick. Don't lie. It kind of feels like a lazy dance move. But hey, it works. Time for flutter kicks. Lie down, place your hands under your hips, and lift your legs just a few inches off the mattress. Now start kicking them up and down quickly like you're trying to swim away from your responsibilities. Keep your core tight, and don't let your lower back arch up like it's trying to escape the bed. Yes, it's uncomfortable, but remember, you're literally still in bed. Life could be worse. And finally, the side plank. Lie on your side, elbow under your shoulder, lift your hips off the mattress, and hold your body in a straight line. Don't sag like a melting popsicle. Stay strong. Hold it for 20 to 30 seconds, then switch sides. This move is amazing for the obliques, and it's a reminder that lying on your side doesn't always have to mean nap time. Sometimes it can mean core strength time. Let's recap this pajama-friendly workout. We've got bed crunches, leg raises, seated twists, planks, bicycle crunches, pelvic tilts, flutter kicks, and side planks. 8 moves, 0 excuses. Do 2 or 3 rounds, and you'll knock out a legit core workout in under 15 minutes. That's less time than you spend arguing with yourself about whether to get up in the morning. And unlike doom-scrolling social media until your eyes glaze over, this actually helps your body. Now, expectations. Will this workout give you a six-pack overnight? Absolutely not. If bed workouts alone did that, the entire planet would be shredded. But what it will do is strengthen your core, improve your posture, and make you feel more awake and confident. And when paired with a decent diet and some regular movement during the day, it can absolutely help reveal those abs hiding under last night's fries. The truth is, abs are made in the gym, but revealed in the kitchen or, in this case, revealed in bed, but not in the way your imagination just went. Here's the deal though, even if you don't care about a six-pack, a stronger core means fewer backaches, better balance, less slouching, and way more confidence in how you carry yourself. And the best part is, you literally have no excuse not to do these moves. You don't need to change clothes, leave your room, or even roll out of bed. You can do them before sleep, right after waking up, or while rewatching your favorite show. Fitness doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes it's just about moving your body a little more than yesterday. So the next time you're lying in bed thinking I should probably work out, don't overthink it. Just start crunching, planking, or twisting. Even 5 minutes a day adds up. Progress doesn't come from waiting for the perfect workout or buying the fanciest equipment. Progress comes from actually doing something, even if that something is a lazy person's core routine from the comfort of your mattress. And that wraps up today's workout from FitFocus, the channel that proves you don't need a gym membership to actually care about your health. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, share this with a friend who constantly says they don't have time to exercise, and subscribe for more no-excuse workouts. Trust me, I've got plenty of routines like this up my sleeve, and none of them involve torturing you with endless burpees. So, go ahead and give this workout a try tonight, tomorrow morning, or right now while you're already in bed. Your mattress just became your new training ground. Your pajamas just became your new workout clothes, and your core will thank you later. Remember, fitness doesn't have to be complicated and it doesn't have to be miserable. Sometimes it's as easy as rolling over, doing a few crunches, and calling it a win. No more excuses, you want it easy. And this is as easy as it gets. See you in the next one, Pajama Warrior.